Hello, in this lecture we are going to discuss multiple inheritance. So multiple inheritance is the type of inheritance in which one child class can have more than two base class. In the single inheritance there is only one base class and one child class, but in multiple inheritance every child can have more than two base class. So wherever we see any relationship between the classes, like there will be two or more base class of a single child class, then we can say there is a multiple inheritance. So here now we are going to implement multiple inheritance using C++. For this we need to create at least three classes because two is the two base classes and one is child class. So for this we need to create one class named A, and the body of class A is blank now. We are writing nothing inside this, and another class B, and the body is blank also, and the class C that will inherit the property of class A and class B. We can write like this. So now we need to write here access specifier, because if we do not use here access specifier, in that case by default it will be private. So I will write here public. We are inheriting class A in public mode, as well as we are inheriting class B in public mode, and here we will write the member functions of, or we can say we will write the body of class C. In class A we are creating a single function, name is so, and this function will print a message cout class A so क्लास ए सो हमने लिख दिया यहाँ पे सो फंक्शन, इसको हम लोग ये बना देते हैं. In the class B we are also creating a function that is display. So I need to write here void display, and this display function has a message that will be printed when the display will be called. Class B display, this message will print. So show function and display function is now private, so I will make them public, because we are going to call them outside from the outside of the class. Public show and public show and public display function, we have two functions, one is in A class and one is in B class, and we are not writing any function within the class C. We are going to see the concept of only multiple inheritance. So here we can see that class C has the property of class A as well as class B. So that means display function is also available for class C, and also available for display function also available for class C, and available for class B as well. Same show function is also available for class A and class C. So here in the main function we are creating object of class C obj, and by using obj we will call first show function that is in class A, but class A is inherited in the class C. So I will write here like obj dot show, and I will run this program. So we can say we have got a message class A show, that is the that is written inside the show function of class A. Similar, we can call the display function of class B, run the program, and we got the message class B display. There is a problem with the multiple intents that suppose that the class A has show function and class B also have show function, and we are going to use class C object for calling show function, so it will create ambiguity. First, let me run this program. Okay, class show and C abj, okay, class B. So in this case, only the function of class A will be run